This is SP Zavalkar from Create English School, Bead Road, Nipani, Aurangabad. Friends, we have already started mathematics from 8th standard, and the name of the chapter in indices and cube root. Lot many things we have learned about indices. Today we have to start cube root. Before that we have already learned making cube. So today we have to learn about find cube root. Suppose find cube root of 27. Find cube root of 27 means take this 27 and put this sign and keep 3 in that sign and 27 here. Here we have to start it with the factorization method. Mean take 27 and factorize them. If you directly say that 3 into 3 into 3 are the factors, but if you are not able to do that, take 27 here and see that by which number you can divide it. As it is odd number and divisible by 3, so divide it. 3 9s are 27. Again 3. 3 3s are 9. So whatever the number of factors we got, put it under root. So 3 into 3 into 3 we got. And make group of all 3 numbers and select the one from that. Make group of all common factor, one group of common factor of 3 numbers. So that is to be selected. We made one group and take only 3 from that. So cube root of 27 is now 3. Again the next problem. Find cube root of 64. Find cube root of 64. So take 64 and put it under root, and here it is cube root 3. So take the 64, and 64 you know it is even number, and even number always divisible by 2. Divisibility test you have learned in the previous standard, 5th, 4th, likewise. So 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Then 2, it comes 2 1s are 2, carry 1, then 2 6s are 12. 2 mean wherever it is possible, make the half it. Half of 64, 32. Half of 32, 64. When we divide it by 2, no, we have to make it half. So in this manner we got this factors of 64, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So we got the 2 2 2 2 2 for 6 times. Make their group one group from 3 common factors. So 2 2 2, this is first group. हमने अभी 2 2 का एक पहला ग्रुप बनवाया. दूसरा 2 2 का ग्रुप कितना होता है? 1 2 3. 3 का एक ग्रुप बनाने का, इतना ख्याल में रखो. When we have to find out the cube root, तीनों का सिमिलर और या कॉमन फैक्टर्स का एक ग्रुप बनाने का और उसमें से एक नंबर सिलेक्ट करने का. आउट ऑफ दिस फर्स्ट 2 2 2, इसमें से तीनों में से एक 2 ले लिया. नेक्स्ट ग्रुप में 2 2 2 3 टाइम्स आ गए, उसमें से एक 2 ले लेगा. एंड देन एवरीथिंग इज लेफ्ट नाउ एंड मल्टीप्लाई दिस. 2 2s are 4. Mean cube root of 64. Cube root of 64 is 4. It is very simple. And about the sign, when given number is minus, answer should be minus. Given number is plus, answer should be plus. Finish. I mean, I told you that when we have to make the cube or finding the cube root, positive number give the positive answer. Mean plus plus, minus minus. Okay, how simple it is. So there is a one problem set, you will have to solve it, and if you have got any difficulty, please ask me. Thank you. Have a nice and great day.